Another form of vintage industrial equipment at the rally are motorcycles spanning over 50 years, competing in the annual historic motorcycle Grand Prix here at Laughlin International Speedway.
It's awesome. It's so much fun. We like riding old bikes and we like riding them fast.
Well, the races here in Laconia are probably some of the oldest continuous running races in the United States. Laconia races were moved up here by Fritz Bear in the late 30s. They've been running continuously ever since. Today at New Hampshire National Speedway, we're running the North American Vintage Motorcycle Championships. This really does kind of span the classic era of motorcycles. It really is a social community. The age range actually goes from, I think, 15, and it goes up to the oldest rider is 84 years old.
So where does the American V-twin fit into all this? Steve Flack races with his dad. He's a Harley rider and is an all-arounder on dirt and asphalt.
But we did dirt track racing for ever since he was 7 years old. He's 40 and I'll be 65 next month. We enjoy each other's company. We enjoy each other's competition. I can't beat him, but I try. Well, we ride the XR 883 Harleys.
When this class came about, we found a couple 883s reasonable and started running them.
We reach about 100 miles an hour down the straightaway with the Harleys. We've had good luck with them. I ride one on the road. And we have a good sponsor out of Albany, New York, Spitzy's Harley-Davidson. He's a real good dealer, and he helps us out immensely.
A lot of these motorcycles that are competing here today actually did compete, back in the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s.